Hello guys, welcome back to our Java fundamental course. This is a module number 7 and we are going to cover arrays in Java. So let's get started guys. So what are arrays? So arrays are the collection of similar type of data types. So we have already covered what is a data type. So data type is a type of data and arrays are used to store multiple values of similar type of data. So now we can create or declare the array by using square bracket. So we are going to use square bracket to create or declare the array. So now this is the example of array. So we are creating one array which the name of array is numbers, and we are storing the value which are type of integers. So we are storing the integer type of variables in the this array, and this is the square bracket which is used to declare the array. So now we are creating the array. So now we will see how to create array. So to create array we use new keyword. So new is a keyword like if else, for loop, all these are keywords. So keywords are reserved words, so there is no sense to understand the new. So new is the just keyword. Just keep in mind that new is keyword, and it is, and we have to specify the length of array. So now we are going to understand it by using a example. So now this is a numbers and we are creating an array. So first one, there is one mistake that we have to mention the type of array. So we are going to use this int, then we are giving the square brackets, and after that we are going to use this. Okay, so whenever we use this, and after that we are going to give the name of array. So array's name is number. So there are, and after that we are using this assignment operator to assign the values to our array, and after that we have used new keyword. So new keyword is used to declare or create array, and well we are specifying the length of our array by using this int, and we are giving the length as 5. So we are going to store 5 integer values in our array. So we have to specify the length of array in the beginning. Okay, so this is an example, or we can directly create array by using this integer type integer, and then we can use numbers as a name of our array, and we can specify the length of our array, and we can directly enter our numbers by using this. So we have used curly brackets, and in that curly brackets we have enter 5 values of our integers we are going to we are going to store in our arrays. So now we are going to see how to access elements in arrays. So it is most important thing to know that arrays always start with 0. So first element is index of that first element is 0. So it is start with 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, and likewise. So it is always remember that it can also ask in exam, or it is also asked in interview that the that array are start with 0 index. Okay, now access individual elements using index. So we are going to access each element using index. So we have to see what is the index. So now we have to access the first element of array, then we are going to use this syntax. So numbers, and in square bracket we are going the index 0. So and we are storing the value. Okay, so we can also access, or we can perform a write operation. So we are storing the 10 in at our first position. So first position is known as 0. So number square bracket 0 equal to 10. So 10 is going to store at first position of this array. So in this type we can also write the value, and also we can access or get the value. Okay, so now we are going to see array initialization. So arrays can be initialized as declaration. So we can declare, and after that we can initialize, or we can directly uh, initialize the array whenever we are declaring that. So now array elements separated by column, commas, and including curly brackets. So we have already seen this. So we can use this syntax int square bracket, then nums equal to, and in curly braces we can enter the elements. Okay, so this is the array initialization. And now there we can perform different type of operation on array. So these are the operation we can perform on arrays. So these are the inbuilt function we can use to perform operations. So now first one is length. So length method is used to get number of elements. So how many elements are stored in that arrays are you can get it by using the length method. Then second one is sort method, which will sort the elements of uh, our array in ascending order or in descending order. So sort method is used to sort the elements of array. Now print method is used to output the elements of our array. So these are the different types of uh, operation we are going to perform on our arrays. So now there is a enhanced for loop which can be used to print the elements, or we can access the elements of array by using for enhanced for loop, or it is also known as for each loop. Okay, so understand this. So this is important, and it is uh, output easier to output the value of elements by using for each loop. Okay, so now simplified looping through array elements. So this is the example. So for we are using this for keyword. So I have to change the pen. Okay, so now we are going to use for keyword, and after that in the brackets we have mentioned the data type, we have given the name of that variable, and we have used this colons, and after that we are giving the name of our array. So our array name is numbers, and now we are going to print the elements of our numbers array. And now we are giving the curly brackets, and in that curly brackets we are using this system.out.println and num, and num is the value of our elements of our numbers. So numbers array, we are going to print the value of num. Num is the variable of values of numbers array. So we are going to print each value by using this for each loop. So this is very much important to know that whenever you are going to perform different programs on arrays, then this is very important to solve that problem using this for each loop. So if whenever you are going to perform the, we are practice the too many type of examples in our further videos, but just understand the basic things, just understand this theoretical things. Whenever you understand this, then you can easily perform the practical type of, you can practice the questions to make your programming skills better. So this is the arrays. We have seen different types of array accessment. There are operation we have seen in array. So now we can conclude our session that, so we have seen what are the arrays. So arrays are the collection of similar data types. Then we can store same data in our arrays by using just one variable name. Okay, then we have seen uh, declaration of array, how we can declare the array. So we can declare using square brackets, and we have seen that. And also this is very important that index of array start with 0. So first element index is always 0, and it supports common operation like sorting, printing, and we can get length by using length method. So we have seen different types of methods also, and we have seen the examples of arrays. So now we are going to end our session. So thank you so much guys for sticking with us and just completing this course. I am very happy that you are very serious, and you are seriously completing this course. And if you have any question, then please free to ask any question. I will answer each and every question as per my time. So now if you understand this topic, so arrays is some like this is a difficult topic. So we are just know the basics, and we are going to see in detail in our advanced Java course. So now we are ending this course. So if you understand this array topic, then please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys.